Hi everyone again. So I'm almost finished. I was going to interlock it with the hook, but I couldn't really, so I just twisted it from the root. Sorry. Yeah, so I was gonna interlock it with the hook, but I didn't worry doing that, so I just twisted from the root, and I was using my gel, and I was using some of this as well, the olive oil for my edges. So I was using some of this to kind of give it an extra hold. Yes, so I just twist it up. I'm gonna blow dry it now. As I said, I don't have any hair dryer, like the one they actually go under. So I'm just gonna, I think the blow dryer would kind of work. So I'm gonna try that. So I got some length. From it, and when it dry, it looks better. I'm gonna see if I can style it too, and I'll put a picture of it when I'm done. So it was, you can see there, because it was so what should I say, not really say frizzy, but it did grow out a lot. It was a lot more than before. So yeah, and so when your hair grow out, it get tall, you just shake it. Why this camera is not focusing? Right, there you go. So when you shake it, say it a grow, as I say. But anyway, thank you. If you have not liked, please like and subscribe. Thank you, Shana. Peace out again. Alright, so people, I just put in some curl rod to see if this can work. I'm carrying on the back parts, like the side and the back go down. To get some curl. Can you just stop? I am on the video. I'm making a video. Anyway, so I'm just putting some curl rods to kind of curl the front, because I'm gonna wear the cap tomorrow. So I'll probably just set it here. Let me see if I can. Just set it here, and then the curl probably just fall down. And with the cornrow, which is cornrow, the cornrow would get me some curl too. So I just put it at the side and stuff like that. So I'm going to make a video when I'm done. When I pull it out in the morning, I'm gonna tie it down. Same can tie it down while I talk to people. Sorry. Try if we get this thing kind of stable. I know right now. I'm just gonna take it. It's not silk, but it's a scarf, and it will do. Sorry, it's like after 2, almost 3 o'clock here, so in the morning. So I'm tired. I just have a few more things to get ready before I actually get some rest. Just gonna put everything in so it's all tight to get me some nice curl. Oh, yep, just do it like it. Cannot too tighten, probably I'll buy a dick. Just medium, number just tight in it anywhere. Just tight in it anywhere. Yeah, that's it. It's meant the perm rod them. Oh, perm rod me use. Put the perm rod them, some small ones me use. Yeah, about them on Amazon.
You still up on video?
Yeah. Yes, can you stop? Okay. Anyway, yeah, if you haven't liked, please do like and subscribe. And I'll see you again. Shana, the other girl, out.